As we continue our inner yatra, let's explore Anulom Vilom Pranayama, a powerful breathing technique for blood purification and overall well-being. Steps to perform Anulom Vilom. Sit in a comfortable meditation posture, like Padmasana or Sukhasana. Keep your spine erect and shoulders relaxed. Rest your left hand on your left knee. Bring your right hand up to your nose in Vishnu Mudra. Index and middle fingers folded. Other fingers extended. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Close the left nostril with your ring finger. Release the thumb. Exhale slowly through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril. Release the ring finger. Exhale through the left nostril. This completes one round. Aim for 5-10 rounds initially, gradually increasing over time. Benefits of Anulom Vilom. Blood purification. Enhances oxygen supply, helping to purify the blood. Stress reduction. Calms the mind and reduces stress and anxiety. Respiratory health. Improves lung function and respiratory efficiency. Balance nadis. Harmonizes Ida and Pingala nadis, energy channels. Heart health. Regulates blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. Mental clarity. Enhances focus, concentration, and mental clarity. Pranic. Balance. Balances the flow of prana, life force, in the body. Detoxification. Aids in the removal of toxins from the body. Sleep improvement. Helps in achieving better sleep quality. Hormonal balance. Supports endocrine function and hormonal balance. Anulom Vilom for blood purification. Anulom Vilom is particularly effective for blood purification due to its ability to increase oxygen intake and distribution throughout the body. Enhance the efficiency of carbon dioxide removal. Stimulate the lymphatic system, aiding in toxin removal. Improve circulation, helping to flush out impurities. Practice Anulom Vilom daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach, for optimal blood purification benefits. Start with 5 minutes and gradually increase to 15-20 minutes. Remember, consistency is key in pranayama practice. Incorporate Anulom Vilom into your daily routine to experience its full range of benefits for your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Looking for personal growth and wellness plans? Reach out to us at theinneryatra@gmail.com. Plans start at just $98 with 1 year free access to our exclusive school community. To know more about the plans, visit www.theinneryatra.com. Thank you.